Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Ruth Nanda here, aka Lo. Welcome y'all. If this is your first time on my channel, thanks for stopping through. If you're interested in natural hair videos where we talk about products and how you care for your natural hair on a budget, because we save coins over here, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can join the Lo gang. And if you are coming back because you love your sis and you part of the Lo gang, I appreciate it, y'all. I appreciate it. Just don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you guys know whenever I upload a video and you do not forget to watch. You know what I'm saying? So if you guys are interested in the video I'm doing today with some good natural hair clip-ins on a budget, then keep watching. So guys, I am going to be talking about some natural hair clip-ins that I received from a company called Laser Hair from Amazon. They reached out to me and they wanted me to try some of their natural hair clip-ins. So this is what the container looked like. It's called Laser Hair. I got it in 14 inches. I got it in the 4C curly hair texture, and I got it in 1B. That is information that is on there. The hair is actually pretty good. I was supposed to then try it out, but I didn't get the chance to put it in my wash and go. I keep forgetting. But this is what the hair looks like. I took it outside of the box. Oh, actually, let me tell you what comes in the box besides the hair. You get some eyelashes, y'all. If y'all need to get your, get your eyelashes right. And then some extra clips for if your clips break. So you have some extra ones. I don't know why I couldn't get that out. But yeah, so the hair is pretty good and it is affordable. I'll put the price on the screen and I'll put the link in the description box if you guys want to go ahead and purchase these clip-ins. So this is what the hair looks like. I just dampen it a little bit, but it is like true to curl. Like you get a real curly girl texture with these clip-ins, and I really like that. I didn't know what to expect, but definitely you get that vibe. Let me take a clip-in. It's the smallest one that is in the bundle, and look at that. Look at that. That is actually pretty good. And just think about it, already has some curling cream on it and it has some gel already on it. And look at that. Like you can really rock the hell out this. It looks like your real curly hair. So I do appreciate the fact that it is true to the texture. You know what I'm saying? Because now a company get our texture completely right when it comes to clip-ins. So yeah, definitely dig in the fact that it's true to things. So what I'm going to be doing today is pretty much refreshing my twist out. I did this twist out with the Carol's Daughter products. If you guys have not watched it yet, I will link it up above so you can definitely check it out. That's why I got this bomb twist out, y'all. So I'm just going to be showing you how I refresh my twist out, but I'm going to be just using the clip-ins to incorporate it to see how it will look and everything like that. So if you guys are interested on how I achieve this clip-in situation for refreshing my hair, then keep watching. But just know I will be putting in before that the process on how I washed it and how it looks when I apply the product, and then we're going to jump right into how I apply it to my hair. So just keep watching, stay tuned.
Okay guys, so we're gonna start out with already twist out here, and we're just doing a refresher, guys, a refresher. So what I'm doing is pretty much going to section my hair off in the back. My parts are not going to be straight, so just keep that in mind. So I'm just going ahead and separating the hair, getting it as straight as possible as I can, and just clipping up the top just to get it away so I can make sure I have some room to do what I need to do. Okay, so I am going to take the longest clip-in that I have in this bundle, and I am going to be spraying it with water as well as spraying my own hair with water, so we have some moisture going on in there. And I'm unclipping all of the clips on the clip-in run so that I'll be able to put it in my hair and place it correctly. So just keep in mind, it may look a little janky whenever I get done clipping all the hair in, but trust me, it will be fine once I get done going through each particular section applying the clip-ins in my hair. I kind of unclip and reclip just so everything stays. But what I'm doing is just pretty much applying my good old faithful, y'all know, beginners, okay, Eden Body Works curling cream. I really love this cream. It's very defined. I make sure I take medium sections of the so that I can twist my hair and it can be defined, as well as it won't be too chunky and then I won't have any definition. So yeah, I just go through and just take those pieces, combine my hair with the clip-ins, and twist everything up. Yes, I know that the clip-ins may be a little bit off in hair color because my hair is a little bit darker than what I think. But I can definitely color these clip-ins later, and I can do a video on that. If you guys want to see something like that, comment down below. Let me know if you want to see me coloring or bleaching or highlighting or whatever these clip-ins. I'll be happy to do that. But yes, I'm gonna let you guys finish watch how I go ahead and do this, and yes.
Okay guys, so my hair is finished. I twist everything. So it just looks like my hair, but on extra thickness, like extra thick. So I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see how it looks in the back. Oh, I feel like I'm missing some pieces back there. Oh, I got a whole piece back here. Lord, how did I forget this? But yeah, excuse this piece. Everything else is twisted up. I will twist up this piece with another piece somewhere in my head. Yeah, so yeah, we're going to, I'm gonna twist that up, so don't you worry about that. But yeah, I'm going to go to sleep and see how all of this looks tomorrow. And we're gonna see how this looks, y'all. We're gonna see what's good on the twist out on here, because I got some other things that I want to do with these clip-ins. So yeah, like let's see what the poppage is gonna be. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I came from work, so I got to come through and give y'all the results, tell you my thoughts on this real quick. So this is my results. You guys know how I take my twist outs out. I really didn't have to go through that. So this is how my hair looks with the clip-ins and everything. It looks really natural. This side is bigger than this side, clearly, because this side is more frizzier. Like my natural hair is more frizzier, which is not good to me. But this is the first time I'm actually using clip-ins, so I've learned some things in this process. So yeah, let me show y'all the back. Let me show y'all the back. So it looks full. Like my hair looks so much bigger with these clip-ins. Like my hair has body by itself, but these clip-ins, it looks so much bigger, which is good. I just think that I'm going to have to like do my regular hair and then put them in with the hair already twisted, and then we all unravel everything separately, because I think it will make it way better than entwining my hair with the actual clip-ins. It works for some people, but for my hair it's completely different. Or I maybe need to just rewash and start all over with fresh, clean, everything. But for a retwist, it's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. I will have to clip some of the ends, because you can tell there's some straight ends, and this is a clip-in. My hair, whenever it's like dried or whatever, it does shrink up. So you know what I'm saying, I need to kind of like clip so my hair can accommodate, the clip-ins can accommodate for the shrinkage that I get. So you know what I'm saying, I need to make it look like it's my hair, sis. It's my hair. So I'm gonna still give this hair a 2 thumbs up. I like these clip-ins. Like I could do more things with these clip-ins. So if you guys want me to do other videos with these clip-ins, definitely thumbs up this video, subscribe down below, and turn on your notifications so that you know whenever I upload videos, because you know your sis be coming through with the videos, because this heat is key, okay? But yeah, definitely tell me your thoughts. Let me know if you use any clip-ins. Let me know some brands that you've tried. Maybe give me some ideas on what you want me to do with these clip-ins, because you know, hair for y'all. I'm here for you guys, okay? But yeah, I mean, I like it. It's not bad at all. There's some curl definition. Like you can see at the top, it's all my entwined hair is like in between is the clip-ins or whatever. But I like it. It's big, it's nice, it's fluffy, it's poofy, it's a lot of hair. That's all I would say, because my hair is already thick, but it just gives me more hair, like it's heavy. So it's definitely something to get used to. But yeah, guys, I like it. So, you know, it's a little vibe. It's a vibe, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, until next time, kisses from me to you. Bye.